Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well in 6th grade percussion in both overture and fanfare and percussion ensemble. I hope you guys are having a great week in Monroe, and I'm ready for something interesting I want to do with you guys today. Something a little different, because you guys have, I know I've been working hard. So, obviously, please still keep working on your band pieces. Please work on whatever Miss Vingara, Mr. Ratner have given you in band. And for those percussion ensemble kids, I want you to continue, obviously, working on your Beethoven and your Bayport sketch. But I thought we'd do something a little fun today, because we're in virtual land. So I think we, as a 6th grade band, no matter which band you're in, we can put together a percussion ensemble piece together online by all of us learning a mallet part and a non-mallet part. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that in virtual learning here, because believe it or not, you have everything you need to make this happen at home. It's all you need is your marimba and your drum pad. That's it. So everyone should look on the Google Classroom and find a piece called Arriba, and we're going to get that out. And you're going to see there's a lot of parts. It's all right. We're going to get 2 parts only. Let's look at, let's say, the xylophone part for the mallet part. And for the battery part, which is what this lesson is going to do, let's look at the timbali part, okay? So we got the timbali part out. If you want to print that out, that would be perfect. Get that timbali part out, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Before you do anything, of course, you should pause this video and warm your hands up. Do 8 on a hand, doubles, paradiddles, and your long roll exercise, which would be, of course, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and up, over and over, just like we do when we're in class and in lessons. Take a pause, do your warm-ups, and then come back. All right, we're back, and now we should have the part printed for Arriba, or Arriba. Timbales, which you know are 2 drums, 1 high, 1 low. You're probably thinking to yourself, hey, Mr. Snyder, I only have my drum pad at home. How am I going to do this? Well, those of you with drum sets actually can do this, because you just take 2 of your drums, make 1 high, 1 low, and put the low one to your left always. You can do it. If you don't, you only have your drum pad though, guess what? That's totally cool. It's okay. I want everyone to look at your drum pad for a second. I'm using a fancy one today, but just look at yours, and I want you to cut it in half like this. Cut it right in half, just like that. Now, put it back down, and you've cut your pie, basically. To this side, and to this side. This side will be your high drum. This side will be your low drum. And we'll just do it like that. So now look at Arriba. And at the beginning, up until way into A, before B, you notice that you have a pattern of beat 2 and beat 4 on the drums, which is high, low, low, high, low, low, high, low, low, and then 1 and 3 are on the rim, right here on the rim. So this would go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can everyone just do that with their right hand? Ready now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, everyone do beats 2 and 4. Everyone do beats 2 and 4. And watch what you're going to do. With your left hand, you're going to do the high part on this side of the pad, low part on this side of the pad. So 1, 2, ready now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 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 add the right hand on the rim. Here we go. Ready now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that up until 2B4B, where you just go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, and you get shot up. Arriba, as you'll hear in the tune. So, then at B, you do the same thing. C, you do the same thing. So if you get that pattern down, believe it or not, you're going to be able to play along with this recording, no problem. It does go pretty fast. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, recording. Now, D. D is the part that you're going to really focus on, okay? Because in D, look what happens there. In D, you have a little solo here on the timbales. However, should you try to play the solo on two surfaces or two sides of the pad really fast up to tempo right away? The answer, of course, is no. Should you try to play this slowly and just get the rhythm down on the drum pad like it's a snare drum etude first? The answer, of course, yes, Mr. Snyder, that's what I should do. So, let's just read this at D slowly, okay? We'll just read it slowly, exactly how we should play it from D to E. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. If you can do that, you will be golden, because then it will be easy to get faster. I want you to look at two specific measures for me. 51 and 52, it goes 1, 2, and 4. I want everyone to stick that. Right, right, left, right, left. Right, right, left, right, left. And it'll fit on the sides of the pad very well. If you look at the next measure, measure 53, you notice you have accents here. Where do the accents fall? 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yes? So how are you going to play that? You're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the accents would fall right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Easy as can be, right? Isolate those, and then you can start doing this faster and more accurately with the drums. Here we go. Let's try the 1, 2, ready now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And then fast. And then you see how we will do that? So, what I'm going to have you do is learn this section from D to E, and then you'll record yourself doing it, and you'll upload it to the Google Classroom, or we'll give you instructions on how to upload that, okay? So D to E on this, and I think we'll have some fun with this, and then the next video that we do will be on the mallet part to this, then you'll learn that as well. Hope everyone's doing well. Let me know if you have any questions.